Welcome to the Make It Excellent tour in the Benelux, powered by OMRON and Dassault Systèmes.
This event we have managed because we want to make the next step in the digitalization, what we have seen within our machine builders. We see that there is a lot of digitalization within our consumer markets, and as a human we are all connected to this, but within the machinery we see there is not so much connectivity. So we see this as a must towards our customers. So it's not only for OMRON, but it's mainly for the customers and our partners that we have to make this available in the market, that the digitalization is the next step in the Industry 4.0.
My name is Edwin Denissen, Managing Director of MDE Automation. We are not just an integrator, we are a partner in innovation. What we do every day is help you with the project from the initial design to the final implementation and turnkey delivery of your systems. Work with us and shape together with us the future of industrial automation.
My name is Hans de Meestere from HD Square Engineering. HD Square Engineering is a system integrator and machine builder, and our goal is to integrate standard solutions where possible, but integrate customized solutions where necessary, and this to make complete solutions for our end users.
How can we really rethink manufacturing? Manufacturing is undergoing a big challenge. We talk, big words today, big data, digitalization, a lot of things. So the aim really of the presentation is to bring it a little bit down to earth and really starting from societal need, consumer behavior changes, and how this is really impacting manufacturing and how we together can respond.
I'm Jeroen Franse from the company KOM Innovative Solutions. We develop and build special machinery for the industry. Our specialties are palletizing, product handling and inspection systems.
So why OMRON and Dassault? Why do we collaborate? I do think that it benefits both companies, and especially the demand created by our customers. The journey towards digitalization in manufacturing is key to be competitive as a manufacturing company.
Ik ben Arie Verhoeven van Gobotty. Gobotty is een bedrijf wat complete logistieke oplossingen realiseert voor haar klanten en die ook ontwerpt. Dat doen wij door middel van OMRON, AMR-technologie. Op een AMR stel dat een topper. Daar hebben wij een breed portfolio van en die kunnen wij ook aanpassen naar de behoeften van de klant. Bij een AMR-project is het belangrijk dat zowel de ketenintegratie ook door ons opgepakt wordt. Dus we kunnen een klant compleet ontzorgen van A tot Z.
OMRON is showing the technologies here of like a whole production floor, where we showcase all the cells, the robotic cells, with the mobile robots as one whole. So we are showing the whole connection between the production lines and the internal logistics solutions we have.
Lab Services is a global automation specialist that integrates different laboratory equipment together and automate the whole workflow.
On behalf of OMRON and Dassault Systèmes, we hope to welcome you at one of our next collaborative events.